How to restore deleted conversation in Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can restore deleted conversation in Messenger. Well, first things first, can you restore the messages that you have already deleted in Messenger? Well, unfortunately, the answer is no. Once you have deleted the chat, it is gone. There is no any recover option. There is no any recycle bin option where you can recycle the text back again. Messenger doesn't give you any option. If you want to view the text, if you recently deleted, then head over and open up Messenger, head over to menu, head over to settings. From there, scroll down, head into account center. Under it, head into your information and permission, and you can see download your information. You can tap on it and go ahead and choose or schedule to download your information, and you can look into further text messages on that downloaded information if it still exists. So that's the only way, which is not 100% sure as well. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.